Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we change dy over dx. dx we put on the right, y to the power of 3 we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s squared plus 1. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about s squared plus 1. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du equals to 2s dx. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2, so you got about u du equals to s dx. This one we change by u. S dx we change by u du. And then we need to simplify this one. And you got about du. The integration of du, you got about u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we return back to this one in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we can write into y to the power of negative number 3 dy. The integration of this one, we have y to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And this one you got about negative number 2. We got about negative number 2. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 1. So I will put number 0 on here, negative number 1 in here. This one you got about 1. This one we have negative 1 over 2. And now I will put number 1 go to the left. And this one we got negative number 3 over 2. And then I will put negative number 3 over 2 on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.